Do you know about this steel cable whose worth is around 13 crore rupees? This expensive steel cable is only made in 3 countries of the world. Those countries are USA, UK, and France. Let us know why this cable is so expensive. This cable is used to stop the aircraft carrier fighter jet. An aircraft carrier has 4 cables. When the fighter jet lands on the aircraft carrier, these cables hold the fighter jet from behind. If this cable is not used to stop the jet, the fighter jet could fall in the sea while landing. For more amazing videos, like, share, and subscribe.